Alright YouTube, what's going down? I got myself a windshield and we're gonna put it on today. I decided to get myself a windshield and I got it off eBay. It was $40. It's an unbranded windshield. Nothing exquisite, but I'm hoping that it's gonna change the riding experience dramatically. This is gonna help because that bike is so little. I've taken it off or on the freeway and that wind just beats the hell out of you. That bike's so light and, well, I'm pretty light, so the combination, the wind beats the hell out of you. So I'm gonna put this windshield on. I also in the summer like to ride with a 3/4 helmet, and I'm hoping that this will keep me from having bugs in my teeth. So my beautiful new windshield. This is supposed to be adjustable and fit up to 1 inch or 7/8 inch handlebar. Like I said, it's unbranded. I got it on eBay for $40. It's pretty nice. Let's get to it. All right, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but it couldn't be too hard. Thank you. All right, let's go for the test ride. This is gonna be so awesome. I love it. Already love it. Oh my God, it's so humid. Pants are sticking to my thighs. Oh, it's crooked. It is, it's a little crooked. Crap. Is it? Yeah, it's a little crooked, I think. I tightened everything down already. I think that's it. Instant difference. That's a noticeable difference. It's still crooked. So far so good. The only thing that I'm kind of like about is the fact that these clamps at the handlebar are made of plastic. It's got a metal threading for the screw to sit into. It's not being screwed into plastic. So that I do like. And for the most part, it seems of decent quality, especially, I mean, for its price point. These things can get expensive. And I was just like, ugh. How about that? That looks pretty good. It was a little frustrating. As you saw, it's probably a two-man job, but doable on your own. And a immediately noticeable difference. Like there's no wind in my face. I can totally wear glasses and just glasses. I don't really care for contacts, so I obviously wear glasses. And wearing sunglasses or something like that, prescription sunglasses is pretty much the only option I have because makes prescription goggles. If you guys know anywhere you can get prescription goggles for riding, let me know. That'd be awesome. But I might not need them. This is actually working quite well. I dig it. Let me know what you guys think. How does it look? It's still crooked. Or it looks like it's off center. You see that? I don't like that. It's bothering me. Why does it do that? Why is it doing that? Why are you doing this to me? Who sent you? What does this mean? Yeah! Alright, you guys, Moto Mantha out. Next week I'm going to be cleaning my carburetor, so make sure you guys keep your eye out for that video. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.